Hey guys, it's Isabel Bedoya here. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I partnered up with NYX. So shout out to NYX for letting me give y'all this poppin' ass fall affordable look. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna start off by prepping my skin. And I'm gonna be using the NYX Bear With Me skin primer. Headband is on, we are ready, let's get it. So I'm gonna start off by priming my skin with the Bear With Me Radiant Perfecting Primer by NYX, and I've been loving this primer. I'm about to be finished with this bottle. And this just gives me a really nice glowy, dewy look. You guys see that glow it's giving me? I love the Bear With Me line because it's all made with cannabis oil. And y'all know I'm with all that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face to give me an extra dewiness to everything. Wait for that to dry, wait for that to settle in. Before I do anything else, I'm gonna match my brows to my hair. So I went ahead and I used their Bear With Me brow setter. I like to use this before I apply what I'm about to show you guys. And it's from the Modern Dreamer palette by NYX. I'm gonna use this shade right here and put it all over my brows. It's about to be 2020. That is so crazy. I remember when I was little and I thought 2020 was gonna be like the year of flying cars, but it's not really that futuristic if you really think about it. Maybe 2030 will be the year. Ooh, okay, that looks better. Now that the brows match the hair, I've been using this shade a lot and I will be using it, but right now I think I'm just gonna use, I'm so scared. This one. Let's use this one. By the way, this palette is so pigmented. Like NYX really did that. So I'm just grabbing that shade and I'm packing it on my crease. I'm kind of just drawing out where I don't want it to keep going. Like this is as far as I'll make it go. I am gonna diffuse it a little bit once I'm done placing it. I wanna do like a smoky fall classic iconic look. So y'all know that requires a lot of packing, diffusing, blending. I'm gonna grab this brown shade right here and I'm gonna pack that a little bit lower than when we just packed this color. It's a very affordable drugstore palette that's a must for everybody because it has like almost every color. So you guys can see I'm just packing it a little bit under that orange we just put on. So let me just grab another shade. Let's do this purpley shade right here. It's like a really dark purple. Yeah, this is kind of what I wanted to go for. Now I really want to pack this one on my lid and then I'm gonna diffuse it. And then I'm probably honestly gonna go in with a little bit of a darker shade on top of my lid. Just so this one isn't the main shade because honestly this is the shade that I've been using so much on my lid. Just because I like how it looks with my hair. But today I wanna switch it up a little bit for you guys. I love this shade. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my liner, added some lashes. These are Fuckboy by Baddie B Lashes. Make sure you guys use my code Isabel for some money off because these are fire. Now we can move on to the face and I already primed, but let's prime again. And I did have some fallout, but honestly, I just work on top of that. Then massage the face. Make sure all the product is in there and it dries. Now we're gonna move on to one of my favorite drugstore foundations at the moment, and let me tell y'all why. The coverage with this foundation I'm about to show you guys, because it's freaking everything, is beyond me. For it to be a drugstore foundation, the coverage, the way it sets. I've been wearing this foundation this whole week and I've been getting so many compliments. The way it sets on the face, it's not cakey at all. The coverage, like look at this. Ooh. It to me. This foundation is also cruelty-free, vegan, which we love. Overall, I just love how healthy my skin looks with this foundation and I love how it matches me so well. I hate when I wear a foundation and it makes my skin look more texturized. This one just makes my skin look so flawless. I don't feel like it's clogging my pores at all. And y'all know that I have really dry skin, but this feels so lightweight on my face. But it's covering everything at the same time. Like, you guys see this? Like, I'm so shook. I'm gonna go ahead and add maybe like a little bit more around this area because I love full coverage right here. I think NYX overall just kills it every time they take out a product, and I love how inclusive they are. This foundation actually comes in 45 shades, which I think is insane, but I mean, coming from NYX, I don't expect anything less. One thing I also noticed with this foundation, it starts setting pretty quick, but you could still work around it. Like if you want to keep building it up, it's very, very buildable. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the eyeliner area, just make it a little bit more sharp. So let me get a little bit closer so you guys can see. You guys see that like glow it has? I mean, it's also the primer under, but the foundation itself, when I wear it without the primer, so good. And I'm in shade Classic Tan. And this is how it looks, and I love the packaging. Okay, so I'm shook right now. I didn't even know it was only $10, but this retails for $10, and there's 45 shades. So honestly, if you guys are looking for a good drugstore foundation, this is it. Okay, now let's move on to concealing. Can't stop, won't stop. Spoiler alert time. So I'm actually coming out with a product. I know you guys love my skin, so I took out something that I've been religiously using for the past 2 years that I know it's what's been helping my skin stay cute. Anyways, my product is coming out soon, so I can't wait for you guys to see what it is and what it does. I'm also going to be doing 3 meet and greets, 2 East Coast and 1 here in LA. So Jersey, New York, I'm coming soon. I just wanted to let you guys know in advance that I'm coming through, and I'm gonna be showcasing my new collab, and it's about to be lit. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna try out for the first time ever the Nikita Dragon Face Press Powder Palette. And this packaging is so freaking dope. And we're gonna be using this shade right here to bronze up the face. Now we could go ahead and use the shade Femme to bronze up. Oh, it's like a cute bronze. I like it. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush right here. It's a little fan brush. This is what I like to use for contouring. So this shade, I'm a little scared. I feel like this shade is a little bit too dark, but this shade surprised me, so this one might too. And we're gonna do it right here. I'm blending it upwards. Also guys, I've been house seeing, and I think I finally found one. Because honestly, now that Ryan is living with me here in LA, I had to get something for both of us, you know, because he doesn't have a room here. I have a 2-bedroom, but the other room is like my makeup room and stuff. So I was like, okay, time to move. Like, we need to get something bigger. I think I found one, and it has also a pool. So he's been begging me for a pool. So hopefully that one is the one that I get. Let's grab some of this shade right here for the blush. Let's see how this one looks with all of this. I want my nose to look skinnier, so let me just add this powder right here. Yeah, and let's let that bake while we do the lips. For the lip, I'm gonna do a very dark liner because it is fall time, but the lip itself is gonna be lighter. I'm gonna drag that dark shade kind of like there. Ryan, what you doing?
Nothing.
And kind of just keep the light shade in the middle, and I'm about to go grab it. I'm gonna be using these 2 shades from the NYX Lingerie, and these are shades Push Up and Seduction, I believe. Yes, Seduction. So I'm gonna grab Seduction because it's a darker shade out of those 2, and I'm gonna put it right here. We're gonna grab Push Up and put it right here in the middle. That is so cute. Okay, last but not least, let's put a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of highlight, a little highlight moment. Something light, something cute, something glowy. Ooh. Okay, so I forgot to add mascara. This is the On the Rise Volume Mascara. Oh, I see what they did there. On the Rise Mascara, so not mascara, lip mascara. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this fall get ready with me makeup tutorial. I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and also leave me any comments under below, anything you guys want to see, and I will see y'all in the next one.